My name's Matthew Robbins. I'm the train signaller for Metro Trains Melbourne in the Network Operations Division. This morning we're running 8 trains between Hawksburn and West Footscray in the new Metro tunnel to demonstrate stability of the new signalling system. Not only are we testing the signalling system, engineers are collecting data and testing their own system to get us closer to day one operations. Railway's in my blood. My father's been with Metro for 40 years and he encouraged me to come join him. We're definitely running a lot more trains compared to when he was first on the job. It's really good. I enjoy working here. We get to be part of history. You get to meet new people and understand how everyone's role comes together to make this system work.